Difference between distance and displacement. Distance is nothing but the length of actual path, traveled by an object, whereas displacement is nothing but the shortest distance from the initial path of an object to its final position. It is nothing but the shortest displacement is nothing but the shortest distance from the initial position of an object to its final position. Or in other ways you can also say that the shortest distance from the between the initial position of an object to its final position. Okay, so the first point we got that distance is nothing but length of actual path traveled by an object, whereas displacement is nothing but the shortest distance between the initial position and final position of an object. That's it. Okay, now second point you can note down as distance is denoted by small d, okay, whereas displacement is denoted by s, capital S. Now the third point you can note down as, here distance is a scalar quantity, whereas displacement is a vector quantity. So what does this mean, scalar quantity? It means distance does not have direction. So you can add one more point over here, distance do not have direction. Similarly, if displacement is a vector quantity, what does this mean? That displacement has direction, direction. Okay, now the fifth point, you can write the formula of distance. Distance is nothing but speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Similarly, displacement is nothing but velocity into time. Displacement is nothing but velocity into time. One more point you can add is distance is always positive. It is always positive, whereas displacement can be positive or negative. Okay, here one more point, last point you can add it as displacement is equal or greater than distance is equal or greater than displacement. This point you can note down over here. Distance is equal or greater than displacement. Okay, displacement. Here the last point, similarly you can add over here, displacement is equal to or lesser than distance. It is equal or less than distance. So these are the few differences between distance and displacement. Hope you are clear with all these differences. Thank you.